welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. I just moved into our new home in Texas, and one of the cool features that I did with our new home was put up permanent Govee lights, pros, and as you can see up there, I had a electrical plug installed with the home when we went through the purchasing process and build process, and I wanted to use that point to install my Govee lights. But what I didn't know was HOA rules in this part of Texas. You're only allowed to extend 10 feet from the front around the sides. So I ended up running an extension cord all the way to the top, down to the front. As you can see over here, go to the front of the house. You can see up here that I ran it down into the control box over here. Kept it kind of clean, out of sight. I ended up going through 150-foot pro box. I used everything but like 4 lights, and I had only 2 jump points with splicing, and I went with the pros. One, because the quality of the color is good, and the ability to splice. So we ran it on all 3, I guess, considered pyramid sections, and then ran it on this corner, ran it down here, and ran it over here into this corner. And to follow the rules, went only about 10 feet. With everything. Now, if you don't have a pre-plugged spot like I did in the upper tier of the house, you can always run something through, maybe cut through here, drill a hole, follow an electrician guide, but they can run a plug up there from one of the plugs in the garage, no problem. Now, this was all that was left over from that box. I got 4 left. As you can tell, we're still kind of moving in. But yeah, great features. I'll show you the lights at nighttime, and we're currently in the Halloween theme, obviously. So we got the Halloween theme on tonight. When Texas was playing Longhorns, we had the colors up when they won. So it's cool to be able to adjust features to different holidays and stuff like that. And it was actually pretty easy to install. So hope you like this video.